everybody, I'm Danelle and welcome to the Wake Up Entertainment, where we give you the freshest and most unfiltered information. So let's just get on today's video, okay? King Zwide was the leader of the Nxumalo clan. This was at around 1805 and 1820. He had the most powerful military army, but he wanted more. On the other hand, there was Dingiswayo, who was the leader of the Mthethwa clan. He had the greatest army general, Shaka. In 1820, because of Zwide's greed to have the most powerful military army, he wanted to kill Dingiswayo. He managed to kill Dingiswayo. This happened, the history books are not so clear where Shaka was because he was the greatest army general, but where was he when his leader was being killed? In 1820, this army managed to get to the Zulu clan. This Zulu clan was now Shaka's clan. They managed to get to Mhlatuze River. This is where the Zulu managed to fight back. The Nxumalo clan was scattered, but Zwide managed to get a couple of his soldiers away. Shaka was still vengeful about the death of Dingiswayo. And then one day, he managed to be in the same room with Zwide's mother. His mother was a Sangoma, and when they got into this room, Shaka locked her up in a room and put hyenas in the room, and she was devoured till death. In the morning, Shaka set the house on fire and it burnt down. That's how ruthless Shaka was. This is it for today's video. Wait patiently for the next one. Bye.